Hi students! Welcome to today's Daily Dose and to session 2 of our Nature Speaks series. Yesterday we read the poem, Theme in Yellow, from our junior grade books. Today we're going to read it again and ask some more questions and talk about it a little more, and then you are going to write your own color poem, okay? So let's start out by reading Theme in Yellow one more time. And then we're going to go to GB. Remember who GB is right here? Asks our little questions on the page, and we're going to see what questions he has for us. I spot the hills with yellow balls in autumn. I light the prairie cornfields, orange and tawny gold clusters, and I am called pumpkins. On the last of October, when the dusk is fallen, children join hands and circle round me, singing ghost songs and love to the harvest moon. I am a jack-o'-lantern with terrible teeth, and the children know I am fooling. So let's go back to the first. Why is the pumpkin proud that it can color the world around it? Because it says, I light the prairie cornfields, orange and tawny gold clusters. That means it gives color. It gives color. Why do you think the pumpkin's proud of that? Do you like looking at color pictures or black and white pictures? Color adds a lot to our world, doesn't it? Right. And over here, on the last of October, when dusk is fallen, children join hands and circle round me, singing ghost songs and love to the harvest moon. How do you think the children feel when they dance around the jack-o'-lantern? Evie's question is, how do you think they feel when they're dancing around the jack-o'-lantern? How do you feel in October, in the fall, when we carve jack-o'-lanterns and do all of our traditional activities? Does it make you excited? It makes me feel excited for fall, because I know that fall is in the air. And then, why do the children know that the jack-o'-lantern is fooling? I think we talked about this a little bit last time. Did we decide that jack-o'-lanterns, do pumpkins come with faces carved like this? No, we have to carve them, right? And sometimes, have you ever seen when you put a candle inside the jack-o'-lantern? Sometimes the candle, how the wind blows it back and forth, looks like the jack-o'-lantern might be laughing or making a spooky face at you, huh? Right. Okay. So yesterday, you should have drawn a picture on this page, the last of October. Today, you should have a sheet so that you can write a color poem. Okay. And your learning coach will need to print that sheet out for you. Okay. From us. And so you're going to pick your favorite color. So for instance, Mrs. Keeler's favorite color is purple. So you're going to write, just like this one's called Theme in Yellow, you're going to write theme in, and then whatever color you choose. Mrs. Keeler would write theme in purple. Okay. You can write your ideas down on a piece of paper. Your learning coach can help you write all the kinds of things that are your favorite color. If I were doing it, Mrs. Keeler, I would write theme in purple, and then I would write grapes, flowers, balloons. You could write anything that is your color, okay? So you're going to make a list of those with your learning coach. You can either write them on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard. You can do it however you want. And then you're going to pick one thing from that list, okay? And you're going to choose that item, and that's going to be your explanation for your poem, okay? So, and your learning coach is going to help you. So remember, this one says, I spot the hills with yellow balls in autumn. So they're describing a pumpkin. I light the prairie cornfields, orange and tawny gold clusters, and I am called pumpkins. Can you see this line right here that's underlined? And I am called pumpkins. You're going to make sure and have that in your poem. you're going to put, and I am called, and then whatever item you chose that is your favorite color. Okay? So you'll need to find your learning coach, make sure that they have printed out the color poem sheet from the online school, and go ahead and work on that with your learning coach. Okay? Thanks for joining me today for the Daily Dose. See you next time.